Dyslexia is the most common learning difference in our schools, and about 1 in 10 people have dyslexia, which means that it's more challenging for them to learn to read and write. Despite this, there are people in every type of career who have dyslexia and who've got on really well, and this includes people who've come through Irish medium education. In relation to language learning, what we know from the research is that there's a huge amount of variability between people who have dyslexia. Many people are very good at learning a new language, especially if they've good oral skills in their first, and there are also people who find it difficult, and it's our job as educators to include them and enable them to learn in our classrooms. English is the most difficult writing system to learn to read in. It has a lot of rules and it's very inconsistent. Irish also has many rules, but it's much more consistent than English, which means that it has less exception words and we can depend on the rules more. But in order to be able to take advantage of this consistency, we must know the letter to sound rules, and in recent years there's been a big emphasis on phonics in Irish, and this will help people to learn them. If teachers are given the right supports, they'll be able to recognise and identify learning differences and be able to provide support for them in their classrooms. That's what we need to do. We need to include people and have inclusive learning environments for people and provide them with more opportunities rather than taking them away.